This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Mark Nichols. Welcome to Splash Mansion. This is an upscale mountain cottage retreat located just off the Craft Trail in Laurel Estates at the Glades Community of Gatlinburg, Tennessee. This stunning cabin has 4 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms and 2 half baths, and it can easily accommodate 10 to 12 guests. Splash Mansion has it all, including an indoor swimming pool. There is easy access and plenty of parking too. As you enter on the main level, take notice of the open concept living space, which is great for entertaining large groups of people. The vaulted ceilings and large windows let in plenty of light. The spacious living area features a floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace, and there is a spacious deck on this level with outside fireplace, BBQ Grill, big round table and plenty of seating. Additionally, there is a TV on this deck mounted over the fireplace so you and your guests can watch a ball game or be entertained while grilling out. This level also features an enormous gourmet kitchen that is fully equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, granite countertops, and lots of cabinets. The kitchen is sure to impress. There is a huge bedroom on the main level with a stunning double-sided rock fireplace that you can enjoy from the bedroom side or while taking a private bubble bath on the other side in the large jacuzzi tub. This bedroom also features a full bathroom with double vanity sinks, and a huge walk-in tiled shower. Additionally, this level has another half bath that is very convenient for guests. Upstairs you will find a large gaming area with pool table, air hockey table, and arcade game and additional seating. On this level there are 2 other spacious bedrooms, each with their own private bathrooms. When you go to the downstairs area, you will discover the large heated indoor swimming pool that guests can enjoy year-round. There is another half bath on this level near the swimming pool, as well as a microwave and mini fridge. The entertainment doesn't stop here though. Guests are sure to enjoy the private movie room with big screen TV and seating for 9 to 10 people. Step just outside onto another spacious deck and you will discover your own private oasis. This level has a bubbling hot tub for you to relax and unwind. Guests will also love the private dry sauna on this level. This mountain cabin is situated in the much sought after Laurel Estates Community, which includes a neighborhood outdoor swimming pool with clubhouse, and outdoor fire pits. You may never want to leave. However, if you do decide to enjoy other activities such dining at Ole Red's, the Park Grill, Anakeesta Adventure, or the Gatlinburg Skywalk, you are less than 10 minutes away. Location, location, location. For more information, review the details below or contact Mark Nichols at 865-342-4200.